Hello students, welcome back. I am Arijit sir and this is my channel Arijit Course Chemistry Online. Today in our organic mechanism portion, we are going to study the mechanism of Curtius rearrangement. So Curtius rearrangement, students, what happens here, actually the acid chlorides in presence of some azides, it converts into isocyanate, the stable isocyanate. This is actually our acyl chloride actually. It converts into isocyanate. This isocyanate actually is stable. The intermediate portion will be acyl azide. It goes through acyl azide. I'm going to show it to you how actually the mechanism works. Okay, now let's see the mechanism portion. Now the mechanism portion here you can see first this acyl chloride reacts with Na plus is there and the azide actually converted into this azide ion. Okay, now azide ion when attacks in this carbon, it actually forms this way, and the chloride actually gets out of the system with NaCl. This gets out of the system, it forms RCO N plus and N minus. This is our acyl azide. Okay, this is our acyl azide. Now this acyl azide transforms into, you can see from here, I'm going to show it to you. First this nitrogen comes over here and then this double bond forms. Okay, now here it actually transforms into this point to show the next step. This is the next step. Okay, now here in this case this R actually moves to this point. Okay, and this bond gets out to form the nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas gets out of this system. Nitrogen gas gets out of this system and this forms the stable R N double bond C double bond O. This is our stable isocyanate. Okay, and this one is very stable. So the formation of isocyanate from acyl azide to isocyanate, this is actually our Curtius rearrangement. Okay, now here I have already discussed with you the Curtius rearrangement. This is actually the portion of Curtius rearrangement and this is the main mechanism portion of the Curtius rearrangement. Now here we can show you some of the very important reactions. What happens over here when it actually reacts with water. Some of the reactions I'm going to show it to you. It converts into, you can see, this portion. Okay, and then it rearranged to form this portion. Okay, now carbon dioxide actually gets out of this system to form this amine. This amine. Carbon dioxide gets out of the system. This is one of the reaction. Okay, now if it reacts with alcohols, say for example this one is alcohol, then it forms the compound like this. Okay, and if it reacts with amines, then it forms the compound like this. Actually, this hydrogen and this oxygen, the water gets out of the system, okay, and then forms this compound. Okay, students, so this is actually up to this point forming the stable isocyanate was our Curtius rearrangement. Okay, students, and these are the some similar or very good examples of the reactions that gives isocyanate gives. Okay, students, so hope you like this isocyanate Curtius rearrangement mechanism from acyl azide to isocyanate formation. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Goodbye.